Welcome to Heirs Design Graphics Masterclass, where creativity and precision is put in every project. So, I'm your tutor for today. My name is Adesoya Adejumake, and I am the founder of Heirs Design. So, I'm a professional website and graphic designer with expertise in digital solutions. I work as a dedicated tutor. I share my knowledge in website development, graphic design, coding, and robotics. Yeah, and designing is my passion. Tutoring is also my passion. So very quickly, moving to our curriculum for today. We're in a world where you can't do with graphic design as a course. You just have to know about it. You have to know about the graphic design principles. You can't do without knowing about the color theory. We have different kind of theory we use. Color theory we use for each flyers. It's not all flyers that you use all color for. I don't want this video to be too lengthy because I want you to go into practical and learn. But nevertheless, I want to implore you, don't jump the theoretical part of graphics. It will make you end up as a poor graphic designer, like quack one, because you can't give what you don't have. Excellence only comes when you know about the theoretical part. The color theory is very important. Okay, and as the goal of this, as the goal of this design, as the goal of this class, as the goal of this training is to see you ending up as a professional graphic designer. Now, as you are enrolling for this course, you are a potential one, right? So you can do it to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and click on the notification button, because we're going to hold your hand from January to December to be a professional graphic designer. You're going to learn more. Okay, in this 5 days class, you're going to learn a lot already, but it does not end there. We keep learning. A graphic designer does not stop learning. And just to add to it again, if you have a career in tech, you just have to start from graphics. Every website designer, UI UX designer, every one of us, we all start from graphics. Why? Because graphic design is what we teach you the basics. Okay, so we have typography basics. Oh my. Okay, don't let me bore you with the theoretical part. I'm going to drop the course on the group because you need to learn about this. So let's go straight to opening a Canva account. Okay, so go to your Google page. Either you are using mobile or you are using desktop. So you're going to type Canva, C-A-N-V-A, Canva. Now good. When you go to Canva, you're going to have this. You're going to click on the first URL. Do you see what I'm clicking on? That's what you're going to click on. You don't need to scroll down. Yeah, you're going to click on this. This is what will take you to the Canva homepage. This Canva visual suite for everyone. So you click on it. Okay, so we are. So when you click on this, you're going to have this interface on your mobile or on your phone. I will stick together. So you don't click on login, you click on sign up. I hope we are still following each other. Go to your Google page, type Canva, click on the first URL you see, then you click on sign up. Hope you are following. You don't need to move, you don't need to skip anything. Just when you click on sign up, it's going to ask you to continue with Google or with your Facebook account, but it's always good to continue with Google. I'd advise anyway. So when it asks you to continue with Google, it's going to load. Just as the way it's loading, then you click on your Google account. Your Google account will have been there actually. So that mine is already logged in, but you can put it if it's not logged on your phone. Then it's going to bring this interface. Then you click on continue. It's just you following the prompt. Just follow the prompt. Then here we are. Our account is open already. Now, probably to you is bringing, putting password, all those kind of things. It's asking for the password of your Gmail. Now, all this kind of question, you can just keep them. They ask you, what are you going to use your Canva for? Are you going to use it for students or non-profit or charity? Actually, it's important and it's not important because you're going to be designing with canvas, and you're going to be editing template. And Canva is still going to bring everything they are bringing for everybody, for you. So you can just click on, let me say, large company, because we want to be large, right? Yeah, so we want to be large. Then it's going to bring this. We can tailor Canva to your industry. All these things, you can just honorably keep skipping them for now. It does not matter. Once you go directly to designing, and here we are. So if you are here, just clap for yourself. You've come a long way. Good. So here we are now. I see this interface. It's telling you design like a professional. So if you are following this training to the end, you design your flyers every day. You were told to design your flyer, you're able to submit your assignment, you're going to be getting a free Canva Pro. Yes, I'm so interested in your growth. I really want you to stop asking for urgent 2K. I really want you to start designing very well. You are doing a whole lot. You are doing a whole lot. Your skill is a lot. You are already good. You are enough where you are. You just need to brand whatever you are doing. So this graphic design training is just to help you, to take you to that place you really want to be. So let's get started. This is not the pro interface. I have the pro interface, but this is not it. So this is just one of mine. This is just a free Canva as we have now. Okay, so this is a very very neat Canva. I just opened this account now because of this training. So there's no template, there's nothing I'm working on, there's nothing I've actually worked on. But let me take you to my Canva page, the one I used exactly, my pro page. So on my pro page, there's many templates. I've worked on many templates. I have many pro templates. I have many pro accounts that I've worked on. So these are my pro accounts here. So, and these are my designs. So I work on design literally every day. So these are my design. This is a pro version account, and it allows me to design very well, and I can design as I like. This is where I design for my clients. So there are so many templates, there are so many designs in all these accounts you are seeing here. But let me go back to the new account, because we are just coming from the scratch, so I don't want to skip anything. So to continue, this is the Canva interface for desktop. Now there is little or no difference in Canva interface for desktop and Canva interface for mobile. There is little or no difference. Believe me, there's little or no difference. So as we are designing, I'll be teaching us the interface, so follow me. Now just ignore this try Canva Pro for 30 days. Ignore it like it does not exist. So this icon, this one here, means if you want to create a new design, don't rush. It's one thing about, I remember when I first started learning CorelDRAW, yes, few years back. When you open CorelDRAW, when you open Adobe Photoshop, oh my, there are many icons there, and you're like, where do I want to start from? You don't have to be like that. You don't have to rush. You don't have to be rushed. Just take it one step at a time. Sometimes you don't even need all the icons, you don't even need all the elements for you to get started. So this is where your project is going to be. Now there's no project for this account because I just started designing, right? So let's go back to home. This is what I just show you. There's no project. I just open this account. This is how your own account should be if you are just opening your account, because there is literally nothing that you have designed. Okay, so this is the home page. This is where template is. You don't need brand for now, though brand is available at a pro account, but your brand is when you're working as a team. You don't need that. This app, we still go there in our further classes. It's used for mock-up. Like I said, I really want to see you making money in design. So there's something we call mock-up, where you design t-shirt for people. I don't know if you have seen programs where you'll be seeing the t-shirt they want to sell out to you, so they'll be showing you via image. So we design them through mock-up. That's not a picture, it is mock-up. Sorry. So we are going to be learning about that in this class. All right, to start this, and so we can explore as many elements and interface, because here now you can't explore many interfaces because we are not doing anything. So we have to get started. Now I need to tell you something very important. Canva is not all about pictures, flyers. Some people are getting it wrong about Canva, so they think Canva is just one thing like that. Canva is for lazy designers. No, you're getting it wrong. In this century that we are now, if you want to be a professional website designer, if you want to be a professional graphic designer, you have to have Canva as one of your tools. Yeah, Canva is the GOAT now. The greatest of all time, right? Yes, Canva is the GOAT now. This icon is, I don't want to go into all this. I want us to design first, but I just want to brush you. This one is used to design when you want to create a document, when you want a whiteboard interface, I'm brushing through it because I'm not really laying emphasis on it. I want to make you start from the scratch where you will learn. Now, this is if you want to create a presentation, you want to create a social media flyer. You know, Canva can create videos, Canva can create websites. Oh mine, there is a lot to do with Canva. I don't know who is telling you that Canva is just for flyers. Oh mine, if you are now opportune to get the pro version, are you joking? You're going to see fire designs. So Canva keep upgrading every day. That's what people don't know. So people think Canva is just there. No, Canva is not there. Canva keep upgrading almost every time, and they have beat many. Canva is just topping the chart for graphic design too. Is always topping the chart. Okay, let me save you the advertisement about Canva, but just to let you know, you are learning the right thing. With this, you can design at least the least money you can get as a very nice person for a flyer is, let me say, 5k. Okay, you are very nice, let me say 2k. You're going down with that's even, you can't even get 2k for a flyer. That's worst. But I'm just saying that you can design pro designs in this place, and you get your money. So to get started, you go to this place, you click on custom size. Are we together? You click on custom size. Now when you click on custom size, it's going to break this to you. Just ignore everything that is on the left and right, just follow me what I'm doing. So you're going to, the size are going to put, now this width and height, it means the size of your flyer. Now, like I said in the beginning of this video, you need to know how everything works. We don't just do anything anyhow in graphic design. For each flyer you are seeing, for each banner, for each posters, everything has their what? Everything has their sizes. But for the particular flyer I want to design, I want to use a square shape with a high resolution. And now I need to talk about that. Let me tell you, no matter how beautiful your design are, if you are not using a very good resolution, it's going to reduce the quality, and no, that's not going to advertise what you want to advertise very well. So one of the best resolution you can use on Canva is